Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on CHR. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that CHR broke out a very big falling wedge pattern on a weekly time frame chart. In fact, when I shared my last video with you almost 3 weeks ago, and this was the video by the way, you can see it was breaking out this big falling wedge pattern. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that it has completely broken out this falling wedge pattern. And also the next resistance that was slightly above than this resistance of the wedge that was here at 11 cents, and we have also broken out that resistance as well. And in today's video we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for CHR that I shared on 23rd of September 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal, an expected harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern. You can see that it was about to enter the buying zone, and our buying zone was starting from 9.25 cents and goes to 8.45 cents. And our sell target zone was here, and this was our stop loss below than 8.45 cents. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped down, completed the final leg, entered the buying zone here. Then we had a nice reversal. Then we had another pump, and this was almost 43% pump on this 4 hour, not the 4 hour, a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of CHR, and you can see that it was moving inside this big falling wedge pattern since after April 2021, when we found this support here. And you can see we had a nice bounce. Then we found a resistance here in the month of November 2021. And we got stable ejections and stable bounces from the support. And you can see that here before the breakout, it formed another down channel within this bigger falling wedge pattern. And while moving inside this down channel, we broke down this very significant support of 11 cents that was previously working as a support here. And for several weeks, it has been breaking as a support here as well. But after this breakdown, it worked as it flipped into a resistance, and we got several ejections by this resistance of 11 cents and the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And now we have broken out both resistance levels. First, we broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern and this down channel. And after that, we broke out this resistance of 11 cents. And now the pricing is getting accumulated, and we have several times retested this previous resistance of 11 cents as a support, and therefore now it can again break, and it's in fact it is breaking as a long-term support for the price line. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then the final target for this breakout from this smaller down channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 25 cents, and over there we have a quite long-term resistance as well. You can see for several weeks, a month, it has been breaking as a resistance here, and here in the month of September 2021, it was breaking as a very strong support. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $1.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.